It's food o'clock on my channel, and I'm happy to share with you my akaklo recipe. I'll be using overripe plantains, cassava flour, ginger, pepper, and salt. I'll do away with the normal pepper because I have Kivo pepper. So I'm going to grind the ginger and later the plantain. If today is your first time, a big Akwaba to you. I am grateful for making time off your busy schedules to be part of this wonderful family. And to my amazing returning subscribers, I love you all. Enti enne wo me mukase no me no ebeche senia me ye makala kulu anase me ka kulu. Nti me hyase no me twi me kakachofa na afei nso me board ye na abrabro so anase kokko na aye pacha no eno na wo hu se me twi wo ayewa mu no. Nti me wie a afei me de me mako eye Kivo shito no me de eno nso ebegum ene enchene na afei eno ano no yakoche. I started with the ginger because it's the hardest. So after grinding it to a fine paste, I added the plantain and salt, and now I am adding the pepper, just enough to give it flavor. Then lastly, I'll add the cassava flour. I would not add much, but that which would hold or bind the paste together so that in the process of frying, I will not lose them. Remember, too much would make it very hard. This recipe requires deep frying, hence the choice of saucepan. I am not using a regular saucepan or a flat base saucepan because I don't want to use so much oil. This one is very deep, so a little goes a long way. As you can tell, the oil is not very hot. It is medium hot, and that is the consistency or the hotness I am going for. So I am adding all at a go. I didn't make much. So after frying one side for about 5 minutes, I will flip it to allow the other side also fry. Off camera, I perforated both sides to ensure that it is well cooked. Over 20 minutes later, I am taking them out of the oil. Because this recipe is versatile, no, unya inkatia check. Makoni sardines wa, na se unya bean stew so there any na baby. Plantains are scarce as I make this video in Ghana, and so whenever you happen to have one overripe, I know you are not going to throw it away with the knowledge you have gotten from this video. Bye-bye.